design, sketch, and render a floor plan in one-point perspective. Hello! Finally, I'm going to use my Copic markers again with this drawing. It has been a while since I did this kind of video and I was missing it. First, let's create the floor plan. This is just an exercise, because it's always good to explore new ideas. Before defining the layout, it can be helpful to draw circles as an approximation of the real dimension of each area. After that, little by little, the layout will take its form. This process can take a lot of time, but as it is the base of the project, it is worth to take time here. If you're interested in this, there are many videos that explain about the design process. I could make one as well. I'll leave some links in the description box. For the last month, I've been using Morpholio trays for this purpose of exploring and sketching new ideas that come to my mind. What I like about this app is how the use of these layers emulate the use of tracing paper that some architects love to use to work with their projects. Now that I have a floor plan, I can draw it in one-point perspective. I had to redraw it in paper, but if you want to do something similar, you could print it. That way you can have the number of copies you need if something goes wrong. Okay, a floor plan in one-point perspective is the same as drawing any other object or room in one-point perspective. However, it feels different because we don't normally watch things in this point of view, from above. As always, the first step is placing the vanishing point. After that, it is just a matter of extending the lines towards this point. You can use a ruler or draw freehand. It depends on your style. Sometimes when I want my drawing to look more like a sketch, I draw freehand. However, these times it's not the case. Tip to draw the furniture is to draw them first on the floor, then draw a box in perspective before detailing every piece. Now my favorite part, manual rendering. Like I said in the beginning, it's been many months since I used my markers, and some of them are in need of refilling. Anyways, it is a very calming process to think what color to use next and see the drawing come to life. So I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. See you at the end. In the meantime, you can press the like button and subscribe. I hope you liked the video and found it useful to watch all this process from designing the floor plan, then sketching it, and one put in perspective, and finally the manual rendering. Thanks for watching.